Hey everybody, welcome back. Okay, this is I think the third video of this. So it's been about an hour and a half now. At 1 hour, I took the oven, I put it on 450. I put my baking pan into the oven, was getting it hot at 450. Now I want to go ahead and turn out the dough. Here's a good picture of the dough. It nicely leveled. It doubled in size and width and everything, so we're good there. Little flour on a baking pan just to keep it a little bit cleaner. On a flour with using your floured hand, just go ahead and scrape the dough out. There we go. It's got a nice consistency. To it. And then basically the only thing I'm trying to do is I'm going to get my hands a little bit more floury. Well, actually, before I do that, I should have done this first before the bread. So what I should have done was, what you're going to do is you're going to take a parchment paper, just a small amount, not much. Be fine right there. And then what we're going to do, we're going to take out our pan from the oven. Right like that. We're going to actually put the parchment paper into the pan. Pull it down like that. Perfect. And then again, I'm going to put a little flour in my hands. We don't really want to knead the dough that much. Really, the dough doesn't need to be kneaded actually at all. So what we want to do is I just want to get it into a nice little circle, form it a little bit, but that's about it. So it's still pretty sticky, guys, but we're going to put it right in the middle of the pan, right on the paper. There we go. Take a knife, and I'm going to score it just a little bit. It's not going to be much. It's really just to break the dough a little bit, get some air in there. I mean, it'll look pretty, but it really doesn't do much of anything. All right, so once the dough is in the pan, parchment paper underneath, we're going to put the cover on it. Then we're going to put it in the oven, again 450 degrees, and we're going to set it in there and we're going to let it cook for 30 minutes with it covered. I'm going to start the timer, 30 minutes. I'm going to keep the temperature on. So after 30 minutes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the top off of the pan and let it brown over, and I'll let you guys see it at that point. All right? Talk to you in a little bit. Bye.